One thing that really stood out for me with this project was that it's covering North Wales, which is a very big area. And they solved this by using the website imaginatively to link with people, really picking up on local events and local support and connecting people. It was all about establishing relationships. And that carried through to the people working on the project with the working group. For them, it was about their relationship as a working group, and it supported them in being cancer sufferers and recovering from cancer and being carers for people with cancer. What really stood out for me was that the young person working on it, he was a young man using his talents and also knowing the condition very well to develop this phone app. And he worked very well with the professionals as well. And it was something that people could use throughout their life. It could follow them through their life from being a young person through into adulthood. And it was also applicable to other conditions as well. So what stood out for me was that when we visited, we were pitched straight in with the community itself and learning about how profoundly deafness can affect your lives and your ability to relax and get rid of anxieties and concerns. And this learning activity not only grew into confidence building generally for the people, but also then led into developing other communal activities such as walking groups. This work had really been about establishing very strong relationships and the strength of supporting each other.